Hey guys, it's Addie, and today we're packing my carry-on like I did last year for California. And
Hello.
This is my brother.
Oh my gosh, you got me off my hair. My hair is terrible right now.
So we're gonna pack this bag, and it's like the same thing as last year, but better. And I literally had to look back at my video from last year to find out what to bring, because I can't remember. So...
Hi.
Okay, let's set up the... Okay, so my brother's gonna hand me the things while I put them in my backpack. And I have the list right here in my sketchbook. Okay. Well, first I'm bringing my sketchbook, which I have right now. My wallet, I am bringing... Hand me my wallet.
Oh, I didn't know it was up here. I thought you were like opening your bag.
This wallet, the same one I brought last year. I'm realizing that like most of these things are like the same thing as what I had last year. I'm finding stuff in my backpack that shouldn't be there. Okay, we're gonna bring my phone and my iPad, which my iPad is gonna be charging. We're still, same like last year for some reason, figuring out if I'm gonna bring my DS or not because it's kind of bulky, and I'm gonna figure out if I can fit it in my bag. And I'm gonna bring that folder, papers in it, that one. This one has scripts in it for a thing that we're doing. And it also has like character sheets that I want to fill out. So we're going to put this in the back pocket right here. And then my notebook here. This has a book that I'm writing in it. And yeah. My other notebook. This is a notebook that I'll just write like random short stories in. I had one like this, but I filled it up, and so I got a new one, and I just keep it wherever I go. I might actually put this in the front pocket because it can fit there. Padded paper. Oh god. Okay. Well, the top just came off. Here. So this is like a pad of colored paper that I like to put in my sketchbook. I'll show you an example. So I have this, and I'll like put it in and like draw stuff on it, and it looks pretty good in my sketchbook. So yeah. Oh wait, I need the list still. We'll put this in the front pocket with my writing notebook. Let's see. I'm bringing my Canon Ivy printer, but that is charging right now. I'm bringing my Kindle, that is also charging. Pretty much everything is charging. My charger bag, the black one. I brought this last year too, but it's a good, durable bag that I'm bringing for chargers. So we'll put that in the front pocket next to the charger pack pocket because I got a new one of those that I'm bringing. Going in the big pocket is all my freaking art supplies. This is a lot. So play a clip right now of last year when I had my little pencil bag. So I had this teeny pencil bag last year, and I have gotten way more into art. So I have this big thing, has my dog on the front, and has 3 zippers. The first one has the pencils and stuff, pencils and erasers, and like the boring stuff, liners. What? What'd I say?
You said 3.
Well, it has 4 zippers anyways. Some of my water brushes and my colorless blender for color pencils. This is, I didn't put anything in here. It's just so in case I get more art supplies. And also, it doesn't close very well with these thick watercolor pens. By the way, those are Arteza watercolor pens, and I got them actually last year in California. So, it's the year anniversary. Here's the rest of them. And then in the last pocket, the 4th pocket, not the 3rd one, has my water brushes. It has like another colored pencil that I couldn't fit in. It has my stylus for my iPad, and it has these watercolor pencils that can also be used for just colored pencils. So this is going in the big pocket. And let's see, my headphones. These are my headphones I'm bringing. They're Bluetooth, and I might need to charge them like everything else. And I'm putting those in this pocket. Can't really see it, but there's a pocket right here in the big pocket. Oh, okay. And then my earbuds that are freaking tangled, like everything else. Those will be going in my charger bag and like my cords and stuff. In here, let's see. That I'm not bringing in my carry-on. Well, actually I can bring that. This is a bag that I got at Target for $3 in the best section, the $1 to $5. Yeah, whatever. So he's giving a promo to Target. We're not sponsored. Okay. So this is a plastic bag. It's like clear on one side, and then it has this cassette tape on the other side. And it is like completely like plastic and like can bend and stuff, so you can fold it up. And it's smart because we're going to the beach and you can put your phone and like keys and everything in there and it won't get wet. My brother is amazed right now. Okay, so that's that. I think I'll just put that in the back pocket. My little thing of office supplies. So I have this, and it's like mini office supplies. It has tape, a stapler, scissors, which is smart, which I'm gonna need right now to cut the tag off of this. Okay, and it had a highlighter in it, but I took it out to put my pencil sharpener in. And I'm bringing this. This will go in one of the little pockets of the big pocket. What else do we have? Socks. I brought fluffy socks last year. He's telling them at me. I brought fluffy socks last year. I'm going to bring them this year because it's smart. And you never know where you're going to be sleeping. At a cold hotel or like on the ground outside. No, I'm not going to be doing that, but maybe I will. You never know. So, I'm bringing these. These can go, I guess, in the front pocket. Let's see. There's that. Whatever. That's pretty much it that I'm... Oh, one more thing. A very important thing. This How to Draw Cute Stuff book. It's like an inside joke in my family. But, like, we play this game out there with this. And, yeah, it's pretty fun. And I brought it last year, and so I need to bring it again. Because it's so important. So I'm putting this in the little slot with all my like notebooks and papers. And then I think that's it. I think.
Oh, hi. Go subscribe to my channel, Grayson, and if that doesn't show up, try Grayson Weekly and it should show up. Has a picture of me at a skate park.
Yeah. So the stuff that's charging is my Kindle, my Ivy, my charger pack, and then my phone and my iPad.
Canon
My phone and my iPad.
Your Canon.
Yeah, I said my printer. And those are all charging, and those cords that I'm using for them. That's bringing in my suitcase, but still throw it over there. Okay, this I'm bringing in my suitcase. It's this tie-dye bag that I got from a jazz festival, and it can fit my sketchbook in it, which is why I'm bringing it. This is my sketchbook. If you don't know, go check me out on Kudos. I have pictures. My Kudos is in the description of my channel, my About page. I'm very fancy. My brother's surprised right now. So this can fit my sketchbook and like my art supplies, so that's why I'm bringing it. And yeah, this sketchbook I think will also go in the big pocket next to my art supplies. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and my backpack is not closing right now. I hope you guys like this video. I will be vlogging like I did last year, like every couple days or so. My brother's trying to end the video. And make sure to click the like button and subscribe and put on post notifications. Click the bell icon. And bye.